Looking to turn your great idea into a financially sound business? You've got big ideas and the passion to make them happen. But how do you know which one to turn into a business? Start by keeping an open mind. Look for unmet needs in your market, ones your new business could fill. Then, conduct in-depth research to identify the potential revenue you could generate from the market you'll serve, which products and services your customers need, and what sets you apart from the competition. Next, create a business plan that outlines the overall strategy for your business, the path to profitability, and the resources you'll need to make it happen. Have questions? We're here to help. Visit your local Northwest Bank Financial Center to brainstorm business strategy and financing options, and get the support you need to turn your vision into reality. We're ready when you are. Visit our website or your nearest Northwest Bank Financial Center to bring your next business idea to life.